Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play like Kise. Kise Ryota is renowned for his incredible ability to copy any basketball move he witnesses. He can replicate techniques from any player, often enhancing them with his own natural talent and physical prowess. This allows him to adapt instantly to opponents, making him an incredibly versatile and unpredictable player on the court. His copying skill is truly exceptional, setting him apart. Kise's ultimate technique is called perfect copy, where he can replicate the signature moves of even the generation of miracles. This advanced skill demands immense concentration and peak physical condition. While incredibly powerful, perfect copy can only be sustained for approximately 5 minutes due to the significant stamina drain it causes. Mastering this requires both mental fortitude and rigorous training to execute effectively. Beyond his copying, Kise boasts impressive physical attributes. He possesses remarkable speed, agility, and jumping ability, allowing him to excel in various positions. His natural athleticism complements his learned techniques, enabling him to perform copied moves with greater impact. This combination of raw talent and refined skill makes him a formidable force, capable of dominating the game through sheer physical presence. To play like Kise, begin by developing a strong foundation in all basketball fundamentals. Practice observing and analyzing opponents' movements meticulously to understand their techniques. Dedicate time to replicating various moves you see, focusing on adding your own flair. Crucially, enhance your physical conditioning to sustain high-intensity play, just as Kise does when utilizing his powerful abilities on the court.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.